Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to take you through a step-by-step process of how to reinstate a disabled page. If you have a page that is disabled where you are seeing something like this page isn't allowed to advertise, this is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets or other standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in the fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. And when you check, you can see they are saying the restrictions are you can't create or run ads. Then when you come to the page itself, let's say you are trying to boost directly from the page, you may see something like what I'm going to show you here. Um, you may see something like what I'm going to show you here. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm inside the restricted page. So let's say I want to boost post. You see something like boost unavailable, boost unavailable, or um, I try to click on it. You see page not allowed to advertise. You can't create ads or promote your page because it is restricted from advertising. Now, the best thing to solve this is on the computer, not on a phone. So if you don't have a phone, if you don't have a computer, try and then get a computer to log in and check the details of the problem. So if you log into your Facebook account on a computer, like using a browser, I'm saying this because some people don't know how to log in on the computer to their Facebook. So those who don't know, you go to your browser and then you type Facebook. After you type Facebook, it will ask you to log in. When you try to log in, it will ask you for the details. Then you log in. Now, when you log in like this, you come to the left hand corner, you see Facebook, you see ad manager, Facebook ad manager, you see the ad manager. Um, Good. So when you click on the ad manager, it will bring you to the ad manager, and you see something like what I'm seeing here. Okay. So now you may also have other type of restrictions such as ad account restriction, a business manager or user account. The user account restriction is the commonest of all of them. So in case you are seeing a user account restriction, it may be you will see here you are restricted from advertising. If it is ad account, you will see ad account disabled. You can't run ad with this ad account. So whatever is there, you either click on see details. You if it is a user account or ad account, you see details below it, or you come to the left hand corner and click on account quality. So it will bring you to account quality, and this is account quality. So in account quality, you have to request a review. So to request a review, you have to make sure that uh, sometimes they will ask you to confirm with your identity. If it is a user account or ad account or business manager, or even page, they will ask you to confirm your identity. In some cases, if it is a page, they may not ask you to confirm your identity, especially when you did identity confirmation for not a long time. They may not ask you if it is a page. So this is it. You click on request review, it will take you to get started, and it will ask you um, request a review of your restricted page. So your page was restricted from advertising because it didn't comply with the advertising policies or other standards. You can request a review if you believe it shouldn't be restricted. So they will tell you what is the reason for requesting the review. You click on another reason, and then you have to describe what happened. So in describing what happened, I have I have already written the letter. I want to petition them. So this is my letter. Now, if it is a user account or other account or even page, and they are asking you to confirm your identity, please don't confirm the identity until you do this that I'm going to tell you. You must make sure you change your name, your user account name, and your birthday to match with the identification document you're going to use. For example, if you're using your national identification card or you're using a voter ID, you must make sure to change the name on the ID to match with the name you're using on your Facebook. So you have to go to the three lines on the top left hand corner. Then you click and go to your settings, change your personal under personal and account information settings. You can change your name. Then you come to the left hand corner, you click on the name, you go down to the about section, you see contact and basic info. You will see your birth date and the gender. Make sure you change it. If it doesn't tally with what is on your ID card and you don't make the change, your identity confirmation will fail and they won't even proceed to look at what you have. Okay. So um, once that is done, when you come back and click on request review, they will ask you to submit the ID card. After you submit the ID, they will now ask you, what are you requesting your why are you requesting a review? So you should click on another reason. Then you paste your reason. So my reason is that Facebook has disabled my account, and I know I have gone through what they said is this page doesn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies affecting business assets, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent our ad review process, participating in a fraudulent behavior, or associating with untrustworthy account. That is what they said. But after going through their policies in detail, I have realized I don't violate any of those policies they are mentioned. So I'm sure they made a mistake or it was wrong to, to restrict my page in the first place. So they should please look at, review the account in detail, the page, look at it, and then reinstate it for me. I am extra sure I have not violated any policy, so they should help me get my page reinstated. If I made any mistake with a known, I am sorry, but they should help me get my account reinstated. If you take time to write something like this, anyone who is going to it will understand that you really know their policy. So after that, you click on send. Then, as you can see, thank you for submitting your account for review. We are always looking for the security of our community. So while we are reviewing your information, your business won't be able to advertise. So as you can see, they're saying review requested on March 13, 2023. A review of this page was requested by an admin or advertiser to determine if it was correctly restricted from advertising. We are reviewing this page and will notify you within 48 hours from when you requested the review. So it is done. Now, within 48 hours or less, this account will be reinstated. And let me tell you, if you follow this procedure and you still don't get a solution, please don't hesitate to contact us. If you check the links in the description, you can WhatsApp us, you can book for our service on Zoom. We will take time to look at your account in detail and help you resolve any problem that you have. We have done this for several thousands of people, and we can do it for you too. You can contact us for our help, and then we'll help you get back. If you also have any, and if you also want to comment, you can leave the comments in the comment section. Whatever you want to say, maybe you follow the procedure, it doesn't work. Follow, leave your comments in the comment section, and then we'll look at it and get back to you. And make sure that we help you be able to advertise and get back to Facebook. Um, Remember to also subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this. Thank you for watching and have a great day.